The timeless English proverb, "Actions speak louder than words," truly captures the essence of human behavior. It suggests that our actions hold more weight and reveal our true nature far more convincingly than mere words ever could. This powerful saying emphasizes that our deeds are a genuine reflection of our intentions, character, and beliefs, highlighting the importance of backing up our words with tangible actions. Here's a breakdown of the meaning of this proverb. 1. Authenticity. This saying highlights the importance of authenticity and integrity in one's actions. It suggests that people's actions are a truer reflection of their beliefs and values than their spoken words, which can sometimes be insincere or misleading. 2. Trustworthiness. Trust is often built on consistent and reliable actions. When someone consistently follows through on their commitments and behaves in a manner that aligns with their words, they are seen as trustworthy. Conversely, when actions contradict words, trust can be eroded. 3. Accountability. Actions speak louder than words encourages individuals to take responsibility for their behavior. It implies that individuals should be held accountable for their actions, as their actions are a more accurate measure of their intentions and character than verbal expressions. 4. Deception. This proverb warns against being deceived by empty promises or words that are not supported by corresponding actions. It advises people to pay attention to what others do rather than what they say, especially when there is a disconnect between the two. 5. Impact. Actions have a tangible impact on the world and on relationships. This saying underscores that positive actions often have a more meaningful and lasting effect than mere words, as they can bring about real change or improvement. In summary, actions speak louder than words emphasizes the significance of consistent, genuine, and accountable behavior. It advises individuals to look beyond what is said and pay attention to what is done when assessing a person's character, intentions, and trustworthiness. This proverb encourages people to back up their words with meaningful actions and highlights the importance of integrity in human interactions. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more educative videos.